It has a Whipple supercharger on it, but it doesn't have anything done internally to the motor.
So
just the Whipple.
So how much power is it making?
Over 600.
Yeah. What do YouTube? It's your boy Bright. Back with no video. I'm going with my dad to go look at this Durango SRT that's supercharged. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see if I get approved. If I do, then I get it. You know what I'm saying? If I don't get approved, then we're just gonna wait until December to get one. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna see. Let me know if y'all like the hair. I might change all the black ones to brown. We're gonna see. Saying 1 to 10, rate the hair. Let me know.
Your first time here? Or?
Yeah, it definitely is.
Yeah, come on.
My first time, but won't be my last.
Huh? Oh, you guys local or?
Yeah, we live in.
Oh, okay. Watch your step here because there's cords all over the floor.
What? It's a Lamborghini.
So what?
It's a Lamborghini.
Just be careful walking because there's charges.
Are you selling these motorcycles too?
Yeah, that's for sale.
Would you let me get this, Dad?
Huh?
Would you let me buy one of these?
What?
This.
Yeah, what about it?
Would you let me buy one?
Let you buy one?
Yeah.
Where would you want to buy that?
Cheap on gas.
Oh, sure. It's cheaper than killing too.
It's an LC 500.
Too many crazy drivers down here in Florida.
Yeah, Florida's not safe.
You don't need that.
I'm telling you.
This is my dream car right here,
Not
Dad.
careful for this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got it in the building next door. I'll show it to you.
When you become a rock star.
Yeah, that car right there goes for like 60, maybe no, 100,000.
Baby Josh could buy one.
Yeah, baby Josh gonna be in the NFL.
Now this has a Whipple supercharger on it, but it doesn't have anything done internally to the motor.
So
just the Whipple.
So how much power is it making?
Over 600.
Okay.
I don't know the exact because I don't have the dyno on it.
Yeah.
But it's over 600. I know that for sure.
That's over 600 horsepower.
It's very fast.
Yes.
You want to walk through here and see the inside of it?
Yeah.
I'll show you the inside.
This is what I need right here. What you think, Dad?
Nice. That's a lot of money.
So why I gotta do the test drive it?
We can test drive it.
You don't test drive cars?
We don't test drive cars. I can tell you it's fast and ain't nothing wrong with it. It's serviced. And we're putting new tires on it too. Whoever buys it, we're putting new tires on it.
Okay.
Because the tires are like 30 seconds.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with them, but they're on towards the end of them because we have the car inspected. Watch your head here. I got to grab this phone. Don't have to grab this phone. Span.
I get too many Spanish.
What is that?
2 Ds.
Yeah?
Battery was dead, but I'm back. What you think, Dad?
I think it's nice, but my God, the money is way too much, man.
Dad,
Yeah.
money's not my problem in life. When I tell you something, Dad, when I tell you I set my mind to something, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna do it.
This is really wrong.
Yeah. When I set my mind to something, there's nothing that can stop me. You know that.
Yeah.
I can handle these car payments.
Hmm?
I said I can handle these car payments. And they had this car for forever. Now they got somebody that wants to buy it. You know?
Yeah. They want somebody, he said want to buy it?
Yeah.
So he gonna let you know if it's
Yeah, by Monday.
by Monday, okay.
They had this car for the longest. Now when I want to see it, somebody want to buy it.
Okay.
Come on, Dad. What do you say?
5,000 miles.
cheesing. I'm cheesing. That's what I want.
Yeah?
This is what I want right here, Dad. You see, that's the I want this.
The Whipple supercharged.
Yes.
Where are you from, Jamaica?
Yeah.
I got some Jamaican friends.
Now, we just had a random car dealership, Dodge dealership, see what they got here. I don't know what they got here. I know the one close to my house. I'm talking to the camera. I know the one close to my house has the Durango, but I don't know about this one here. We're gonna see what they got here. I'll keep y'all informed. How much is this? Oh, this one's cheap.
Huh?
It's 90,000.
90?
Yeah.
Good.
What year is it?
91,000.
No, it says total.
2023.
Oh, what's the miles? It's a beautiful car, though. I tell you that. So that's a beautiful car. I tell you that. Oh, there's one right here too.
20. Grab the keys for it. It's on the other side of the building. This one, honestly, if you wanted to show out, this would be something to do that because nobody has a wide body Challenger anymore.
It's not getting any copyrighted. It's okay.
I will get the blue one over this door.
What blue one now?
$10,000 less, huh?
Yeah.
Same car.
Put my Glock right here. And yeah, it's brand new.
Huh?
So this got 3,000 miles on it.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I really want the Durango, but it's expensive. And then someone's looking at it right now. I'm just trying to be different. I'm trying to be bright. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to stand out. Tight shit. I don't know. I'm looking at the Scat Pack and I supercharge the Scat Pack, or get this Durango that's already supercharged. Like, I don't know, man. I'm just all over the place. My dread's swinging left and right. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. I'm just thinking right now what the play is. I don't know. And I'm hungry, so I'm not myself without a Snicker bar. It's a lot going on. My dreads are shaking. Like, I don't know. Might be fun.
Huh?
So this car might be fun.
You might get a little trouble on it.
A luxury sports car.
Huh?
I saw it drives like a luxury car.
It will come over and... Huh?
That's not. This is track mode, everything's on, right?
Yep.